Thank you all for your comments and questions to my videos. I love the love. And today I'm going to answer a question I received related to this video, missed coding concepts on the CPC exam. The question was, when you did the lesion on the left and right arms, why didn't you use modifiers LT and RT? Great question, Sandra. And this video will address your question. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key. And on this channel, I provide you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. As a result of my straightforward strategies, tips, and optimistic approach to education and learning, I've helped hundreds of students become certified medical coders who have developed dynamic careers in the business of healthcare and are valuable resources in their own right. Subscribe to my channel to get the latest and greatest information and tips you need to become a certified marketable medical coder. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of my weekly videos. Let's get an understanding of some modifiers. Basically, modifiers let payers and others know that there are special circumstances that may impact and affect payment. We talked about modifiers in last week's video here, so feel free to check it out. Now, let's look at 3 instances where modifiers are used for surgical procedures: bilateral procedures, multiple procedures, and distinct procedural service. Modifier 50 is for bilateral procedures that are performed at the same session. This modifier is used when a procedure is performed on mirror image organs of the body. The way that bilateral procedures are submitted on the claim can vary from payer to payer. Usually, the 50 modifier is appended to the code. Sometimes it is one code with the 50 modifier, or 2 codes and one with the 50 modifier, or 2 codes with RT or LT modifier appended. Let me add, if you are interested in medical coding and would like more information on how to become a certified marketable medical coder, well, check this out. Are you interested in medical coding, but not sure where to start and scared of wasting time and resources? Let me help you with the right steps to become a certified marketable medical coder. Learn more at bit.ly/5stepscoder. When more than one procedure is being performed during an operative session, they are labeled as multiple procedures. Modifier 51 is for multiple procedures and is assigned when multiple procedures are performed on the same day at the same session by the same provider. Evaluation and management services are not included here, as well as any procedure that has the modifier 51 exempt symbol and add-on codes. Keep in mind that there are 3 times when multiple procedures are reported. Number 1, same operation, different site. Number 2, multiple operation, same operative session. And number 3, procedure performed multiple times. Lastly, let's look at modifier 59 for distinct procedural service. Modifier 59 is reported when, under certain circumstances, it may be necessary to indicate that a procedure or service was distinct or independent from other non-evaluation and management services performed on the same day. Modifier 59 is used to identify procedures or services other than evaluation and management services that are not normally reported together, but are appropriate under the particular circumstances. The description of modifier 59 identifies the following scenarios as when it is appropriate to use modifier 59. The scenarios are a different session, different procedure or surgery, different site or organ system, separate incision or excision, separate lesion, separate injury, or area of injury in extensive injuries. So here are a couple things to consider regarding the scenario in our video. Number one would be anatomy. Remember that even though the lesion excision occurred on the right arm and left arm, it actually occurred on the skin of the right arm and left arm. And the skin is just one organ. So that would negate the use of the bilateral procedure modifier, modifier 50, or the LT or RT modifiers. Modifier 51 also could be considered as an appropriate modifier, as it appears that our scenario fits into the same operation different site. However, modifier 59 clearly states in its code description a separate incision or excision as well as a separate lesion, making this the best choice of modifier to use in this situation. Don't forget that all of this information varies by pair, so your pair guidance would actually indicate the appropriate usage of the modifiers. But in our situation, you're looking at what is ideal in a classroom, textbook, and testing situation. Question of the day: was this information helpful for you? If you have any additional questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I will be happy to address them. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key, providing you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. If you are interested in more information on these tips and others on how to become a certified marketable medical coder, well then check out these videos. Has a lot of information here. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know by hitting the thumbs up, hitting the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you are informed every week when I upload new content. I love hearing from you. So let me know you were here by providing a comment or question. Let's stay connected and connect others. Remember, be safe, be kind, and don't wish for it, work for it. Until next time, take care and thanks for watching.